This thing is too heavy for you.
No.
Let me help you. No. I insist, let me help you, sir.
I am close to my destination.
Even if, sir, let me help you, please.
I'm almost.
Give me some. Is this what you are carrying?
Oh yes.
It's heavy, oh.
Don't worry, my son. Let me help you.
No. Sir, no, please. If I see my father carry something like this, I will also help you, please, sir.
That is very thoughtful of you.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much.
God bless you.
Amen, sir.
You will see your children.
Amen.
My son.
Why are you calling me my son? Are you my father?
Please come.
Well done, sir.
Are you blind?
If I'm blind,
Let me to carry it.
so you want me to help you, and you are asking me if I'm blind? In fact, let me just help you so that they will not say children of nowadays are disrespectful to elders. Bring it.
Hey!
The thing is not even heavy. You are now bending your waist as if
Come add this one to eat, please.
I should add this one to it. So you cannot even carry that small thing. It's not as if this one is even heavy. You are bending your waist. Bring it. If I come and stay my back. Don't let me hit this thing on your head.
Run for your life, bro! Run! Hey!
My son, you are blessed. You will see man to chop enough goat. The hand that you use help people will also help you too. You are just carry it inside now.
It's okay. It's prayer. Give me money. I want money.
Hey, scoop it. Prayer is the key.
So I will return this load, though.
Ma?
In fact, this your brother is.
It was at this moment that he knew.
This is a robbery case.
Let's go.